This is the installation guide for the CryptalDash Telegram bot. The first step is to add CryptalDash bot to your Telegram group. For that, open the menu, click Add Members, and type Add CryptalDash bot. Choose the bot and click Invite. Now you can use the bot in your Telegram group. You can use it for posting coin listing competition messages as well as market updates on your coin. To start receiving coin competition messages and updates, send the following command. At the end of the command, add coin abbreviation. Let's use PPC as an example. Click Send. An actual coin competition related message from the CryptalDash bot on the Telegram will look like this. You can control the frequency of the coin competition related messages in your Telegram group. For this, use the following command. Set competition status frequency at CryptalDash bot, where at the end you need to put the interval of hours for the updates. If we enter 1, the bot will send updates every hour. Click Send. We have discussed how to receive coin competition related messages. Now let's talk about how to receive market updates. To start receiving market updates on your coin, send the following command. Subscribe at CryptalDash bot, then enter the coin abbreviation and the number of hours. As an example, we will use HTML coin, and the number of hours we will set to 3. Click Send. After sending this command, the bot will send pricing updates on the HTML coin every 3 hours to your group. This is the example on how the message will look like. Now we will show how to unregister from the coin competition and unsubscribe from market updates. To stop receiving pricing updates on your coin, send the following command, where at the end you need to put the coin abbreviation. Click Send. The subscription and registration process is very simple. For any questions, please do not hesitate to comment down below. Thank you for watching.